Hello everyone, Balazs from SPINNR here. After 4 years of hard work, 3 complete rebuilds, a ton of trial and error, many good and some bad ideas, testing SPINNR on our own agency and customers, and a few false starts, today we're officially launching our baby into the big scary world and making it publicly available to all of you. SPINNR is a web management system and a web builder platform that is quite different from what's currently available in the market. It has been created specifically with website professionals in mind. Rather than another DIY tool promising easy website development and no more need for a professional web developer or designer, it is actually a system for those that build websites for others. If you are not familiar with SPINNR yet, you can find a lot more information on my and SPINNR's social media accounts or on the SPINNR website. I invite you all to give it a try and experience SPINNR for yourself. We want to create the best tool for all of you web professionals out there, so your feedback will shape the future of SPINNR's web development. And though today is only the first day of SPINNR's public life, we already have many more exciting features and functions in development to make life even better for you and your customers. So head over to the SPINNR website, sign up, it's completely free. I look forward to working with you to create the best platform for web professionals. I hope you like it, and I look forward to your feedback. Thanks everyone.